So, American Modified Off-Road sent me this box. Let's see what's in it, because like I said, we're going to facelift this Silverado. Packaged this thing pretty well, I can tell you that. Boy, look at this. Check that out. Look at that gloss. Let's go ahead and install it. Now we got all the pieces that we need to transfer to the new grill. Not too bad, just a bunch of clips that might be a pain in the butt, as you can see, like I showed you earlier. Now everything should just pop right in. Well, let's start with the easiest one. Put that right in there. Should snap right in. There we go. Yeah, man. Okay, now we can get my white insert here. Should snap right in. There we go. There we go. And it's starting to look great already. Check that out. Now the best thing about this grill is it's black gloss, just like my custom wheels here. I know they're a little dirty, but hey, at least they match. Yeah, man.